If you're planning a trip and want a comfortable and affordable place to stay, Airbnb is a great platform to book rooms, apartments, or even entire homes. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to book a room on Airbnb step by step, even if you've never used it before. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to search for stays, compare options, and complete your booking and safely. First, open your web browser and go to the Airbnb website, or open the Airbnb mobile app on your phone. On the home page, you'll see a search bar. Start by entering your destination, city, or location where you want to stay. After that, select your check-in and check-out dates. Then choose the number of guests. Once you've entered these details, click the search button to see available listings. Airbnb will now show you a list of properties including rooms, apartments, and houses. To find the best option, you can use filters. For example, you can filter by price range, property type, number of bedrooms, amenities, and more. This helps you quickly narrow down the results based on your budget and preferences. When you find a place that looks good, click on it to view more details. You'll be able to see photos, a full description, amenities, house rules, and guest reviews. Always check the reviews and ratings to make sure the property is reliable and matches your expectations. Next, check the price breakdown and availability for your selected dates. If everything looks good, click the reserve or book button. Some listings allow instant booking, while others may require approval from the host. Enter your details, confirm the number of guests, and proceed to the payment page. After entering your payment details, review everything carefully and confirm your booking. Once your reservation is successful, Airbnb will send you a confirmation email with all the details, including the address and host contact information. In this tutorial, we learned how to search for rooms on Airbnb, use filters to find the best options, check reviews and details, and complete a booking step by step. Airbnb makes it easy to find unique and affordable stays that match your travel needs. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.